Good morning. You're up early today.
Yeah, I have a busy day ahead.
Oh, really? What's on your schedule?
A team meeting and a client presentation.
Sounds important.
It is, and I want to be prepared.
Did you sleep well?
Not really.
Why not?
I kept thinking about my presentation.
You'll do great, like always.
Thanks, I hope so.
So, what's your plan this morning?
First, I need coffee.
I can make you a cup.
Really? That would be amazing.
Black coffee or milk?
Milk, please.
Got it.
While you make coffee, I'll iron my clothes.
Didn't you iron them last night?
I was too tired.
Understandable.
What time is it now?
It's 7:15.
Oh, wow, I need to hurry.
Do you have enough time?
I think so.
Your coffee's ready?
You're a lifesaver.
Always.
Let me take a quick shower.
Sure. Take your time.
No time. I need a 3-minute shower.
That's fast.
I know, I'm a pro.
Do you need your towel?
Yes, could you hand it to me?
Here you go.
Thanks.
Do you want me to pack your lunch?
If you can, that would help a lot.
What do you want?
Something light?
Sandwich.
Perfect.
Okay, I'll prepare it.
You're the best.
I know.
So confident.
Always.
I'm out of the shower.
That was quick.
I told you.
Did you decide what to wear?
Not yet.
Want help?
Yes, please.
How about the blue shirt?
Too formal.
The white one then?
Maybe.
Try it on.
Okay, give me a second.
Take your time.
How does it look?
Great. Very professional.
Perfect. I'll wear this.
Good choice.
What about my hair?
It looks fine.
Just fine?
Okay. It looks beautiful.
Better.
Do you need help drying it?
No, I'll let it air dry.
Smart.
Did you finish the sandwich?
Yep, it's ready.
Thank you.
Do you want fruit with it?
Yes, maybe an apple.
Done.
You're so helpful today.
I'm always helpful.
True.
What time do you need to leave?
By 8.
You still have time.
Not much.
Want me to check traffic?
Yes, please.
Looks a bit heavy today.
Great. Just what I needed.
You should leave 5 minutes early.
Yeah, good idea.
Did you pack your laptop?
Not yet.
Don't forget the charger.
Oh, yes, thanks.
And your notebook?
Wait, where is it?
On the table?
Found it.
Good.
Do I look okay overall?
You look perfect.
That's sweet.
Just telling the truth.
I feel more confident now.
That's the goal.
I wish mornings were easier.
They can be, with good planning.
I try.
You're doing fine.
Thanks.
Keys?
In my bag.
Wallet?
Yes.
ID card?
Got it.
Water bottle?
Oops, forgot.
I'll get it.
You're amazing.
I know.
Stop saying that.
Never. Do you feel ready now?
Almost.
What else do you need?
Perfume.
Here.
Thank you.
Anything for you.
I think I'm finally ready.
You look confident.
I feel a bit better now.
You'll do great today.
I hope so.
You will. Trust me.
Okay.
Do you have your presentation file?
Yes, on my laptop and USB.
Good backup.
Always.
Want me to drop you off?
If you can, that would help.
Sure. I'll get the car.
Thank you so much.
No problem.
I feel less stressed now.
That's good.
Talking to you helps.
I'm glad.
Are you ready too?
Not really.
Why?
I haven't even brushed my hair.
Oh, wow.
I was helping you.
That's sweet, but you should get ready too.
I will. Don't worry.
Okay, but hurry.
I'll be fast.
Good.
Ready to leave?
Yes, let's go.